It's gonna be a very realistic, non-aesthetic decorate for Christmas with us. Brought so much stuff up from storage. All right, let's go. This was a parent gift for daycare we had done years ago. My son actually just did, thanks Sharpie on that one. But all my other, like my younger daycare kids, painted a canvas however they wanted, and then we did some handprints on them and kind of made them to look like presents. It was really cute. So now I hang these up every year. Another random Christmas decoration my kids made. This came from one of my daycare families years ago. Our couch is massive now and takes up literally our entire living room, so the tree is going to have to go back here. Bad news. Or I just plugged the tree in and it doesn't light up, so.
What?
Great. Hopefully these lights work. Some of them work. My husband made me this after we moved to this house because we didn't have a mantle. It's for hanging our stockings on. There's like little hooks over it.
Dad actually made that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, are you okay?
Yes.
This came from my mother-in-law, Mama Bob. Baby ornaments, and this, I think it was a Christmas gift for daycare last year.
This is mine.
Yeah, this is Theron's. This is 2022. We made like little handprint Santas out of salt clay. Gonna put that on the tree? Thank you.
That one's I think Zane's and that one's mine.
Oh, you stand here and put your tree here.
Yeah. Pink ones and your tree.